last area that's very important is your release and your follow through. The best thing about release is you don't think about release, just think follow through. When you think release, usually it's very hard to open your fingers, but it's very easy to think about where you want to position your follow through. In the Netherlands, they don't even have a word for release. All they have is follow through, because they know that it's not important to think about that, only for follow through. So what you do, as you pull up, you anchor. When you hear the clicker click, you reach for your shoulder, or you keep your shoulder blades good and tight and execute the shot. So think follow through, and you'll do much better.